Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I welcome you to. Please have a seat and enjoy this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to thread this mini sewing machine. It is quite easy and straight to the point. Now let's get started. Here's a quick overview of how the machine looks like from different angles. In case you're wondering how small this machine is, here we go. So those are the actual measurements. So roughly I can say 20 by 20 centimeters. This machine is quite small. As you can see, it literally fits in my hand and it's easy to move around. With your brand new mini sewing machine comes these accessories. So you will get 4 bobbins, 1 needle threader, 1 needle and 1 foot pedal. On the right hand side of the machine there is 2 ports. One is for the foot pedal and another one is for the AC adapter. However, the machine does not come up with the AC adapter, but this foot pedal here. This here is a hand wheel. Remember the standard rule, always turn the knob towards you and never away from you. This small button is called a bobbin winder. You can either press it in or out when you're stitching, but when you're winding a bobbin now, it must always stick out and it must be very firm to hold the bobbin nicely. Let's have a look at the top part of the machine. This is a spool pin. It holds the thread. Now for this specific machine, I did not use this pin much, only when I'm threading the bobbin. Remember guys to always have this pin fully extended when in use so that your thread does not jump out. On the front side of the machine, there is an on and off switch, this button here. I honestly don't like how this button works. I don't even know why it's there, but for the sake of this video, I shall use it. I prefer this little man here. He's never hurt me, he's never made me do any mistakes, unlike this button over here. But we move, it's there. This is a speed control button. If you want it on low, it will go like this. And if you want it on high, it will move like this. So L low is slow and then H high is fast. This here is a bobbin spool or a bobbin holder. And here's how you can remove it and put it back on. It's quite simple. On this spool, there's a spring to hold your bobbin nicely. Next to it, there's a tension screw. So this screw, you can turn it left if you want your thread looser, or you can turn it right if you want it tighter. And this small thing here is a thread guide, as well as this one on the side. Coming back up here, we have a take-up lever. So this is how it looks. You'll get to see it later when I thread the machine. Now a close up from this view. There's a needle, a presser foot, teeth called feed dogs, as well as a needle clamp screw. Down here there's a bobbin compartment, and as per usual, it's only a bobbin in there. Nothing interesting really. the back of the machine, we only have one thing, that is the presser foot lever, and then it controls the lever up and down. Last but not least, let us have a look at the battery compartment, which is the downside of this machine. Now this unit is compatible with 4 AA batteries, of which you have to buy for yourself. They don't come with the machine. And this is how you will have your batteries in your unit. Let us close this compartment and let's get ready to thread and do other things. Now here comes the part I don't really enjoy, especially with this machine. Changing a needle. Changing a needle on this machine is not as easy. It's not as easy as the normal big one, you know, mainly because the working space is so small, and the fact that you have to screw the needle in and out, it does not make things easier too. But I must say that when I got this machine, there was a small screwdriver that came with it. So because I misplaced it, I guess I just have to suffer and take the needle out with whatever that I find. And it's out. Thank God. Replace the needle the same way you took it out. You don't really have to stress about the needle size because this machine is compatible with a standard size needle. So that is the same one you would use for a normal sewing machine. And that's what the needle looks like. I'll just take one and put the rest back in. Before you put your needle in, just make sure that your sharp point of the needle does not have any defects. Like it is not broken, it's not curved or bent. Push your needle upwards, making sure that the butt of your needle hits the stop, and then start turning your screw. So one last thing, once your needle is in place, just go back with your screwdriver and make sure that your needle is sitting nicely and tight. All the best, guys. Okay, and that's it for me today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, especially if this video was very useful to you. And if there's anything you didn't understand and you need clarity on, do let me know in the box below. And that's it from me. Till we meet again. Bye.